Anuj from Riders Trail. Welcome back. Well, आज जो है ना मैं एक नई बाइक के साथ आया हूँ. Of course हर बार नई बाइक के साथ आता हूँ. पर ये जो है ना ये future है. This is going to be future of the industry. The entire industry is changing. So the Royal Enfield is also changing, and they're coming up with EV bike, and we have a beautiful bike here, which I am going to show you. This is from that era where World War happened. पैराशूट से बाइक को नीचे गिराया जाता था, फौजी बाइक को लेके फुर हो जाता था, लड़ाई झगड़े करता था. उस सारा को रिक्रिएट किया गया मॉडर्नाइजेशन वर्ल्ड के अंदर. सो जिस बंदे ने इस बाइक को क्रिएट किया, हम कोशिश करते हैं उनसे बात करने की. हिज नेम इज मैट, एंड वी विल get to know more about this bike from this guy. So let's go to Matt. Nice to meet you, and lovely seeing this beautiful bike. A piece, I can say a masterpiece. You recreated. Recreated.
Yeah, absolutely. They've done a brilliant job of bringing the visual spirit of that original Flying Flea.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, can you just tell us a bit more about the bike?
Yeah. This bike is a complete ground-up design
Sure.
for Flying Flea.
Sure.
And so some people may call a vehicle a software-defined vehicle. We see this as both hardware-defined and software-defined, because we built every element of this hardware all the way down to the chip, right? We know which chip suppliers we're using. We know how to optimize their performance for this vehicle. Then we've also, on top of that, built our own custom software layer that allows us to control every element of the bike.
Right.
Not because we want control, because we want to make it exciting for the riders.
So what do you think about this bike? How good it is going to be, in the market? Have you thought about anything about that? How customer friendly it's going to be? What kind of age criteria you're targeting with this?
Yeah.
With the bike?
So absolutely, there's no point in making something that nobody wants.
Exactly.
Right. We believe it appeals to everybody, from
Masses.
somebody just starting to ride to somebody who's been riding for 40 years, because it's so flexible that I can make this really easy to ride, simple, but I can also maximize the power and acceleration to make it really fun to ride in the city. So it's really flexible. It can go from really soft to really aggressive, but it also has advanced safety features for somebody who's learning, like lean angle sensing ABS.
Wow, that's future.
Absolutely.
That's future.
You see that on really high-end motorcycles, 20 lap plus.
Exactly.
Right? We're bringing that to the masses.
That's so beautiful. That's so beautiful. That means it will learn from the rider the way he is riding. The thing will be automatically learned by the bike. What kind of train he is riding, and what is his mentality of riding the bike. The bike will learn itself.
So you will learn, right? And you will learn, and you can customize. So we have on this bike over thousands of different ride combinations that you can create to customize. So you can control your ABS sensitivity, and you can even turn it all the way off.
Can you just show us something?
Absolutely. So the ride modes, everything's designed to be really intuitive and simple. So here you see this joystick. This is your ride mode button.
Wow.
So let me turn incognito off here.
It's a touch screen.
Yeah. Sorry, one. There we go. So here we have our ride mode button. So I can, right now I'm in sport mode. That's telling me I'm in sport. This band here tells me how much power and torque I have.
Okay.
So it's telling me visually you have max acceleration that you want. Now I want to I'm at a stoplight, I want to change my ride mode. I can flip this little switch here, and I can scroll through 4 standard ride modes.
Okay.
So I can go through our eco or our city mode.
Right.
We also have rain.
Rain mode. Okay.
We have a touring mode.
Wow.
And we have a performance mode. So that off-road mode that you saw is for our S6 platform, which will have a little bit more of an off-road feel.
I saw these things in high-end bikes. Really, these features are there in, if you talk about BMW Triumph and all.
Absolutely.
It's coming here.
But why not? Why should we limit those features, right?
This is so beautiful. Goddamn beautiful.
So let's go into that custom ride mode. So I'm sitting at a light or I'm getting on the bike. Oh. There we go. And I want to adjust my settings.
Okay.
So you see I have lean angle sensing ABS. I can high sensitivity if I really want to take it easy, mid, low, rear off. So you still have ABS in the front and it's low sensitivity and you turn the rear off. Or for the S6,
the
we
ABS
can
is off
completely
now.
turn
Okay.
it off, right? Or traction control. I can independently control traction control, high, medium, low, or off entirely.
Fantastic.
We also have power, which is the peak power, torque, which is sort of the aggressiveness of the power and how much initial acceleration. We have regen level 1, which is coasting regen when you let go of the, or when you close the throttle, regen, and then there's a second level regen, which is braking regen. So once you've customized it, find exactly that perfect sweet spot for you, simply save it, and now that's your custom.
And then you can ride.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, Royal Enfield is doing wonderful things, and this is amazing to see Royal Enfield getting here.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
It's taken a complete rethought of our entire process, and we brought in 200 high-quality engineers focusing just on our EV platform.
I can see that. I can see that. Things are coming here, and then you have something here as well, the charging port or something.
Absolutely. So with this, originally, if we look at how we've designed connectivity in the past, we've used your phone as the driving for it.
Okay.
What we've done here is we've integrated all of the processing power of your phone straight into the motorcycle. So you just need the phone to authenticate you as a rider, and after that, the motorcycle is doing the heavy lifting.
Oh.
But you may have forgot to charge your phone. So underneath this panel, we have wireless charging. I can just put my phone in there, close the top. So my phone is now secure, and
it's getting charged.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Thank you, Matt.
No
Thank you
problem.
so very
Thank you
much.
so much.
So guys, we have future coming up. बहुत जल्दी है। जो अभी तक आप लोगों ने हाई एंड बाइक्स में देखे थे, BMW Triumph, वो सब इस बाइक के अंदर है, सारे फीचर, इवन इतने सारे फीचर्स हैं कि वो लोगों ने भी नहीं दिए हैं। ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल, आपका ABS ऑफ करने का, आपका कितनी स्पीड पे आप बाइक चलाना चाहते हैं, उसको एनर्जी को कंट्रोल करेंगे, सब एवरीथिंग इज देयर। सो रॉयल एनफील्ड कमाल कर रहा है यार इंडिया के अंदर, और मैं बता नहीं सकता, आई एम सो लकी दैट आई एम हियर, met Matt, saw the bike, and yes, of course, this is the future of riding. Thank you.